Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the header on your Wix website. So if your Wix header isn't displaying properly or you want to make adjustments, I've got you covered. In this video I will show you how to find and customize your header quickly. Let's get started. So first navigate to wix.com, navigate to the site that you want to edit and click on the edit site icon at the top right. Now you'll be taken to your site editor where the header will be the part of your site's main design. So any changes to it can done right here. Click on the header to select it. This is my header. I will select it. Now once selected, look for the header setting button in the top toolbar. This is the header setting button. You can also just right click on the button that says header, and here you'll have to ensure that the header design settings are correct, like layout, alignment and visibility options just right here. Now, adjust the header behavior. For example, if the header is set to fix on scroll, you might need to adjust this if this is causing the issue. Now, if elements in your header such as text, logo or menu are misaligned, simply click and drag them to a better position. You can also resize elements by clicking on them and adjusting the size using corner handles. And ensure that your header looks consistent across both desktop. Use the mobile view, that is this button at the top left, to make sure that mobile specific adjustments are working properly for your header. Now click on the background to the header to modify its color, image or transparency. Click here, click on change background. You can choose a background if you want. To upload a custom background, you can click on change background button and you can choose image and you can click on upload media, upload an image. Select that image to upload it to the header and you would have changed your header. Now, if you have made changes and want to go back to the original header design, you can reset the header. You can simply click on the reset option in the header settings, which will restore it to its default design. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click save and then publish to update your site with fixed header. And that's all. You have successfully fixed your header on Wix. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. And I will see you in the next one.